everyone, today we're diving into an exciting revival from Volkswagen, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This iconic nameplate, which once represented sleek European flair and laid-back cruising style, is making a bold return. Volkswagen is blending retro cues with modern technology to create a unique vehicle that's not just about nostalgia. It's a forward-thinking coupe with real substance. Let's explore everything from the interior and exterior to pricing, safety, and performance to give you a full picture of what to expect. The 2026 Karmann Ghia captures the spirit of the original with an unmistakable silhouette that echoes its vintage roots. The curvy, low-slung body is crafted with elegance, staying true to the coupe's classic design language. But it's not stuck in the past. Volkswagen modernized the design with sculpted LED headlights, aerodynamic lines, flush door handles, and a glass roof option. The front end is sleek with a smooth grille and integrated lighting that blends form and function. Chrome accents along the window line and around the tail lamps add a nostalgic flair, while the rear features a simple but expressive horizontal LED strip that runs across the back, providing a futuristic touch. There are several trim levels, each with its own personality. From the minimalist base trim to the performance-oriented GT variant, the Karmann Ghia gives buyers aesthetic and mechanical variety. Wheels range from 17 to 20 inches depending on the model, with retro-inspired spoke options available. The two-door coupe design screams classic sports car, but with Volkswagen's modern engineering underneath, it's anything but old-fashioned. Inside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia offers a cabin that feels like a tribute to mid-century design while incorporating all the latest tech and comfort. It's a blend of analog charm and digital sophistication. The dashboard features a clean, horizontal layout with soft touch materials and real aluminum or wood accents depending on the trim. The most eye-catching feature is the floating 12.9-inch touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to climate. But thankfully, VW has kept some physical toggles and switches, nodding to the tactile experience of the original Ghia. Seating is snug but comfortable. This is a 2+2 layout, meaning the rear seats are suitable for kids or light cargo but won't be ideal for adult passengers on long journeys. The front sport seats are supportive, with leather or vegan leather upholstery options. You also get contrast stitching, optional ambient lighting, and heated ventilated seats in the higher trims. The digital gauge cluster is crisp and configurable, offering classic Ghia dials in one mode and a futuristic digital display in another. Volkswagen also emphasizes sustainability in the cabin materials. Some trims offer eco-friendly fabrics and recycled components, which aligns with the company's push for a more environmentally responsible future. Sound insulation is impressive too, making the ride quiet and serene unless you're in the sportier trims, where engine notes are piped in for a more engaging driving feel. In terms of performance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia isn't just about looks, it's built to drive. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing around 220 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic or an optional 6-speed manual transmission for purists. It offers solid acceleration, responsive steering, and refined handling, perfect for weekend drives or daily commutes. For those seeking more thrill, there's the GT model that packs a 3.0-liter V6, making over 320 horsepower and a 0-60 time of just under 5 seconds. Some whispers suggest a fully electric variant may debut late in 2026, built on VW's MEB platform with dual motors and all-wheel drive. But as of now, that version is still in the works. Handling is one of the Karmann Ghia's strengths. Thanks to a low center of gravity, precise suspension tuning, and lightweight construction, it hugs corners with confidence. You can select different drive modes, Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Custom, to adjust the suspension, throttle, and steering feel. This is a car built not only to turn heads but to deliver a genuine driving experience. Braking is sharp and predictable, while the optional adaptive suspension provides a smoother ride on rougher surfaces. On the safety front, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is loaded with tech. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, and VW's Travel Assist, a semi-autonomous driving feature that handles highway cruising and stop-and-go traffic. The Karmann Ghia hasn't been crash tested yet, but it's expected to score highly thanks to its rigid MQB-based architecture and generous safety equipment. Volkswagen has also added a few unique safety touches specific to the Ghia. For example, the Coupe's forward visibility is enhanced by thin A-pillars and a slightly raised seating position, giving drivers a better sense of the road. Parking sensors, auto park assist, and emergency SOS are all part of the package. Whether you're backing into a tight spot downtown or cruising along the coastline, the Karmann Ghia helps you feel confident and protected. Now, let's talk pricing. Volkswagen aims to position the Karmann Ghia as a premium yet attainable sports coupe. The base model is expected to start at around $38,000, making it slightly more affordable than premium coupes like the BMW 2 Series or Audi A5. Mid-range trims with additional comfort and tech features land around $45,000. The high-performance GT model pushes into the $55,000–$58,000 range, depending on options. VW is also rumored to be offering a limited Heritage Edition, with exclusive colors, badging, and interior materials for about $60,000. Value-wise, the Karmann Ghia delivers a compelling package. You're getting eye-catching design, solid performance, a modern and tech-forward interior, and a badge that blends nostalgia with innovation. Maintenance and reliability should also be competitive. Volkswagen has invested heavily in improving service quality and durability, especially with new-gen models. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than just a retro revival. It's a carefully crafted coupe designed to appeal to both longtime enthusiasts and new buyers who want something different from the usual luxury brands. It stands out not by being flashy, but by being sophisticated and soulful, a rare quality in today's automotive world. The mix of performance, comfort, safety, and timeless design puts it in a category of its own. If you're looking for a car that turns heads, feels great to drive, and has a story behind its badge, the new Karmann Ghia should be on your radar. Whether you're cruising through city streets, enjoying a Sunday drive along the coast, or simply pulling up to a car meet, it's bound to spark conversation. Volkswagen didn't just bring back a name, they brought back a feeling. And that might just be the Karmann Ghia's greatest achievement.